Ever wondered where the pulse of Amsterdam's nightlife beats the strongest? Look no further than Rembrandtplein. At White Tulip Hostel, we're delighted to guide you through the vibrant scene that makes this area a must-visit in 2024. With its electrifying atmosphere, Rembrandtplein is a blend of historic charm and modern-day excitement. Start your evening with a leisurely walk through the square, taking in the stunning monuments and the rich, cultural history of this iconic location. For art enthusiasts, a visit to the Rembrandt House Museum is a perfect tribute to the Dutch master himself. As the sun sets, Rembrandtplein transforms into a buzzing nightlife hotspot. The square is lined with trendy bars, lively pubs, and pulsating nightclubs. Whether you're into live music, DJ sets, or simply enjoying a drink with friends, there's a perfect spot for every taste. Not sure where to start? Ask us at White Tulip Hostel. We're just around the corner and our staff are nightlife experts. Dining at Rembrandtplein is as diverse as it is delicious. From luxurious restaurants serving international cuisines to cozy cafes offering traditional Dutch snacks, your culinary cravings are sure to be satisfied. And don't miss out on sampling the local beers and craft cocktails that the bars in this area are renowned for. But it's not all about the nightlife. Daytime at Rembrandtplein offers shopping, street performances, and people watching that captures the eclectic spirit of Amsterdam. For those keen on experiencing the full magic of Rembrandtplein, we've got great tips and more insights ready for you. Dive deeper into the heart of Amsterdam's nightlife and culture by checking out the link in the description. At White Tulip Hostel, we're here to make sure your Amsterdam adventure is unforgettable. Join us and discover why Rembrandtplein is the place to be in 2024.